Welcome back to BlogHubPoint's YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll discover how to use some cool CSS3 properties: font stretch, font variant, and line height. Let's dive into it, starting with font stretch. The font stretch property adjusts the width of characters to fit your web page design. It's sometimes called font width, but it's not used that way. Not all fonts, like Roboto or Arial, support it. Font stretch has keyword values such as normal, expanded, extra expanded, and ultra expanded to increase width, or condensed, extra condensed, and ultra condensed to reduce it. You can also use percentage values and global values. Let's see how it works and affects your text. We apply font stretch on this paragraph. Write font stretch, then set its value to condensed. When you view it in the browser, you will see that it reduces the size of the font characters. If we use expanded, it will increase the font character width. Now let's look at the percentage values. In column 2, you will see percentage values from low to high in sequence, alongside the keyword values in column 1. Now let's apply it. If we set the percentage value to 25%, you'll notice that the font character width reduces. If you increase the percentage value to 125%, the size of the font characters will increase. Next, let's look at the font variant property. The font variant property in CSS is used to specify a variation of the font to be applied. It allows you to control typographic features such as small caps, ligatures, and other stylistic alternatives that may be available in a font. Here, we apply the font variant property on the span tag inside a peat tag. We use the descendant CSS selector pspan to target the span tag within the paragraph. Inside that selector, we write the font variant property and set its value to small caps. When you view it in the browser, you will see that the text inside the span tag changes its font style and appears in capital letters with a different font shape. If the font variant value is set to unicase, it will display both small and capital letters of words at equal heights. However, if we set the value to small caps, which is more suitable, the text will appear in capital letters with a different font style. The font variant property is also commonly used with font awesome icons. Next, let's talk about the line height CSS property. This property is used to increase the space between lines vertically, though it doesn't affect the font face itself. We adjust the line height based on our requirements. It can be set using keyword values like normal, or by using unit measurements such as rem, em, or percentage. Let's understand it practically. Write the line height CSS property and set its value to, for example, 4 rem. When you view it in the browser, you'll notice there is extra space between the lines, but no effect on the font face itself. To reduce that space, you can set the value to 3.2 rem, and in the browser you'll see that the space between the lines is less. We can also use percentage values. For example, set it to 34%, and the space will shrink to a negative level. When you set it to 100%, the line spacing will return to normal, providing space that is more suitable for the text's requirements. Thanks to watching video. If video helpful, then subscribe, comments, like, and shares.